Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Soni Goel, an alumnus of IIM Ahmedabad, and this channel I created in COVID for you all to help with CAT and any other examination that contain Quant, DILR or VARC. और इस चैनल में आपको वो सब मिलेगा what you need to crack CAT. So मैं इस शॉर्ट वीडियो में आपको हेल्प करूंगा इस चैनल को एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए और आई विल हेल्प यू आउट विद द प्लेलिस्ट एंड हाउ टू टेक मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट ऑफ दिस चैनल. तो सबसे पहले शुरू करते हैं प्लेलिस्ट सेक्शन से. इफ यू गो टू द प्लेलिस्ट यू विल फाइंड द प्लेलिस्ट फॉर quant. Like for example, you see here complete quant playlist for CAT. In this we have number system, percentage, ratio, average, time and work, time, speed and distance. Then we have with us geometry, mensuration, algebra, permutation, combination, coordinate geometry, trigonometry. So this comprises the whole quantitative aptitude, and within each of this playlist you will find the complete lecture. For example, number system की बात करते हैं तो number system में आपको मिलेंगे 10 complete lectures on number system. इसमें क्या भाई, जैसे फर्स्ट में divisibility rule आ गया number system. This is complete 1 hour lecture, then 1 hour lecture, and then there is a basic LCM and HCF, then there is advanced lecture, it goes to digital, and that comes to 10 complete lectures on number system. So ऐसे ऐसे करके आप इसको you will find complete lectures for all the topics of CAT and any other competitive examination. So आगे move करते हैं, हम चलते हैं हमारा DILR के ऊपर. So if you will go to DILR playlist, there you will find basics of DI and LR. So basic of DILR में there are lectures on how to think in DI and LR. DI, LR based on averages and percentages, and then there will be questions on Venn diagram, CAT challenge. There are fully solved 2017 to 23, almost for all the years I have solved it for you. There are some daily dose sheets also. Now coming to the VARC part, so you will have lectures on RC fundamental. There are 40 lectures. If you go in detail of this, you will find the RC based on understanding the context, how to prepare for reading comprehension, then the ideas and fundamentals of speed reading. There is a question on accuracy. Then we have topic wise RC. This is very unique thing, guys, because the topic wise RCs you will get RC on philosophy, on polity, on psychology, on art and culture, on science and technology. So this way you will be getting a complete dip into the reading comprehension if you are really struggling with the reading comprehension part. So this RC playlist will mesmerize you and you will be able to do well in the RC. फिर हम बात करते हैं बेटा, अगर आप लेवल 1 कर लेंगे, लेवल 1 करने के बाद आई हैव मेड अ वेरी स्पेशल थिंग फॉर यू. ये एकदम खतरनाक चीज है और जिन लोगों के फंडामेंटल एकदम चकाचक हैं उनके लिए सीजन 1 सीजन 2 जो हमारा कैट शोज है, this will really blow your mind, because in this season you will have 10 episodes with fantabulous questions which you will get, and these are all high level questions. Topic wise topic you will get the question, and it will be really helpful to boost your percentile. और जैसे मैंने बताया, fully solved DILR, fully solved quant, fully solved VARC भी आपको मिल जाएगा. So guys, this channel is for you. Take maximum benefit of it, and please do not share supporting this channel by sharing and helping those people who cannot afford coaching to come to the channel and learn from the channel. And you can be connected with me on Instagram, Facebook, website, or with the Mission Cat. So this is all about this channel. If you have any suggestion about video or anything, you can write in the comment box of this video. I will help you in that particular thing. So wish you all the very best. Explore this channel and try to learn as much as possible so that you can score well in your competitive exam. But there are 4 things which you need to remember while watching the channel, while watching the video lecture on the channel. First thing is patience. Second thing is you should watch this channel on table and chair. Please do not watch it in your sofa or bed, because I want you to attend like a student. You want to attend like a lecture, complete lecture. And the third thing, keep a pen and paper with you while attending the lecture. That will really help you to improve your productivity in the channel. Wish you all the very best. Thank you very much.